Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Asmara Bimasana and my student ID is 2024-32012. Today I'm going to walk you through a web that explores the history of multimedia development. Multimedia isn't just about video or image, it's an evolution of how humans interact with data. In this presentation, I will break down the source code consisting of HTML for structure and CSS for styling, and then demonstrated how this technology come together to create a clean, modern, and responsive educational interface. Okay, the first of all action highlight is the head and header in here. Section of the index HTML. Let's start with the skeleton HTML. At the top, we have our metadata. Notice the viewport meta tag is ensure our history doesn't look just as good on smartphone as it does on desktop. The content is wrapped in container div. I have used a semantic approach here. The header use break here. Use break and is the break hello time to grab attention immediately featuring the title is sejarah awal komputasi dan teks dasar, perkembangan multimedia as we move to article here. In this article I use divide the historic the three dictated section text isn't just organization, it helps search engines and screen readers understand that our content is chronological journey. One is the era of data. Two is the revolution of CD-ROM and GUI. Three is modern internet and VR era. Okay. In this first section, I utilize a high class. This is designed just to impose the limitation of early computing where text was king and command line interface were the only way to talk to machine. Moving to 1990, which is the list of milestones. I use the unordered list UL to detail how CD-ROMs with their massive 700 MB capacity allowed us to combine text, sounds, and image for the first time in tools like Microsoft Inserta. Finally, in the third covers the broadband revolution. This is where we mention HTML, especially the very technology I used to build this page, which is allow us to embed audio and video natively without the clunky plugins on the page. Move to next session. Action. Switch to the CSS file. Now let's look the skin of our project the CSS. I opted for a professional aesthetic using this text UI font family. It's clean and highly readable. The container in the store here I use max width so 800 px to keep the last line comfortable for reading and box shadow to give a floating card effect against the light gray background. One specific detail is the color palette. I use a vibrant yellow V1C40V. For the header and accent, yellow often symbolize energy and innovation fitting for a history of technology. The dot highlight box uses a softer version of this yellow with a solid left border, creating a visual callout that breaks the monotony of the text. Okay, Let's see our packs. Wait, okay, here. So the final render web page in our browser scroll through really slowly space. When we view the final result, you can see how the code translates into a user experience. Um, the header is a bold central setting, as you can see here. The stats typography, notice the text line justifies in the paragraph. This create a clean book-like feel. Interactively, the sections are separated by shovel border and the footer provide a clear and point the user journey. The layout feels airy and modern, which is the ironic considering we are talking about the old the days of the command line. Nah, the layout feel so good and comfortable for user. It's really friendly for beginner user. Okay, to wrap up, this project demonstrates how we can use modern web standard to document the fair history to make the standard possible for simple text to the high-speed streaming world of 2024 multimedia continue the relevant how we see it, the world. Thank you for your time. Are there any question regarding the code or historical milestone convert? Just comment in below on my YouTube channel. Okay, guys. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.